This is a mini train kiddie ride by Amutec of Mablethorpe. I think this replaced the vending bus. The steering wheel, let me see, it's quite stiff. Filming it because we moved it. The Willie's Jeep's gone to Drayton Manor and it's been replaced with nothing. There's a Mac 5 truck, Happy Bus, and the Cointronics bus, made from Amutec in about 2003, under no licence. Also, Cointronics bus going off. That was a short ride. This unit is refurbished by North and Leisure. That was the mini train kiddie ride by Amutec, sited at Cadbury's World in Birmingham.